Meaning of entail.
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 Entail. The word entail typically refers to a situation where one thing is necessary in order for another thing to happen or be true. It implies that something is required or mandated in order for a particular outcome to occur or for a specific state of affairs to exist. In other words, one thing follows logically from another. The term is often used in legal contexts to describe rights or obligations that are passed down through inheritance, but it can also be used more broadly to refer to any situation where certain conditions must be met for a particular result to be reached.